long-awaited new laws to crack down on Airbnb-style accommodation have been further delayed. It was due to go to Cabinet yesterday, Jonathan. It was dropped at the last minute. Now, the papers are kind of looking at a couple of factors behind this. One of them, apparently, there seems to be disagreement between the Department of Housing and Department of Enterprise over what was due to be presented by the respective ministers, James Brown and Peter Burke, and who was to bring the memo. Was the memo complete? There was also apparently pushback from Kerry ministers, Norma Foley and the Healy-Raes. Now, Jonathan, do you know what? I actually don't really care what the reason and why this didn't go to Cabinet. What I care about is it didn't go to Cabinet. This is one, like, this isn't a silver bullet. It isn't going to make things better all by itself, but it is one of a series of difficult decisions due to be made in the coming weeks that include the rent cap, whether or not to proceed with that. No, just let me make the point, Jonathan.
Difficult.
Just let me make the point. There's a few difficult decisions that need to be made. One is rent caps. The other is tax breaks. And this is one of those. And basically, we cannot afford the government to be playing constituency, parish pump politics with this. There's an urgency there that we haven't seen in recent months. The planning framework has taken 5 months to get to Cabinet. Get on with the job. No flapping, no politics. I'm sorry, this is bigger than Kerry. It is. And do what needs to be done, or we will not solve the housing prices and the government will pay the price at the next election.